Yangzhou Positioning Tech Company Limited was established in 2003, consisted of multiple manufacturers which cover areas of beyond 2,000 square meters. Each of them specializes in one particular technical field, including power thyristors in stud and capsule packages, power diodes in stud, capsule, and plastic packages, ceramic housings, transistors, triacs and SCR, semiconductor modules such as IGBT module and high-voltage MOSFET module, capacitors, semiconductor fuses, series resistors, Litz wire, parts for LED drivers. The company spent more than 20 years exploring and developing the field of electronic components under the long-term effort of employees. The company has gained more than 500,000 successful cases of business from over 160 countries and regions. Our products are widely used in industries, public utilities, and military projects, such as transportation, marine or rail propulsion systems, wind power converters, electrochemical power supplies, soft starters, motor control, lighting control, power factor compensation, electric vehicles, UPS, inverter, DC chopper drives, pulse power applications, welding machines, locomotive traction, induction heating and furnaces, electrochemistry, and military electronics. On top of that, the company has also obtained numerous certifications such as AEO, UL, CE, ROSE, and ISO 9001 certificate. We assist our valued customers in designing and developing their products standing on the creative and innovative foot. We manufacture the products with quality assurance, delivery accuracy, and cost effectiveness.